Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to study about hotel vocabulary. Very first one is accommodation, means rihaish. Accommodation means a place to live. A place to live. Second one is amenities, means sahuliyat. Amenities means the things that are available for guest use. Bar. Bar means a place to sit and drink. Bellboy. Bellboy means a person who carries guests and luggage. Minibar. Minibar means a small fridge in a room with food and drink that has to be paid for. Concierge. Concierge means a person who can organize special requests for hotel guests. Double room. Double room means a room with one bed that two people can sleep. Twin room. Twin room means a room with two beds for two people to sleep on. Housekeeping. Housekeeping means the people who action of keeping the hotel clean. Check-in. Check-in means to arrive at a hotel and get access to your room. Check-out. Check-out means to leave the hotel. Hotel chorna. To leave a hotel. Lobby. Lobby means the entrance area of a hotel, often with place to guests to